Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this yellow dress from How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days. You don't need VIP for this except if you want to use these shoes, but the rest you don't need. For the hair, I use these bangs in blonde and then this updo in blonde. Use this hair in only bangs, positioned Y 0.53 and scale it to 0.43 in blonde as well. Then for the outfit itself, we're going to go here. Then we're going to use this in the type 2 toggle. Color it this color, and I think I'm just going to do silk. I did light silk before, but I'll do silk. Then use silk as well and color it this darker yellow. C1A44E. It's like goldish. Then select this dress in skirt only. Color it the same in silk for everything. Then use this dress in that same color in silk. Actually, let's do light silk because like the colors don't mesh well together for some reasons. If I do silk, okay, that looks way better. Then on this top, I'm just going to color the like straps the same, maybe like darker. Actually, I'll do it the same here. And then for the shoes, I just use these ones from VIP in that color in glitter. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. It's super simple to do, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.